Hey guys, it's your boy Adri from Style and Fashion and Elite Educators. First of all, I want to have a big huge thanks to Robbie from R&J Celtec who made this video possible. Right now we actually have two Z Flip units that I just got from him. Now even though his store in Gulf City Mall is closed, you can actually call him at his number. I'll actually put this in the link below, his number, so you can actually get cell phones. So I know a lot of people out there, they need phones because right now the whole country is basically run on the internet. The majority teachers and their classes, a lot of meetings, national gas, they have all of their workers at home and they basically work via email, via meetings. So cell phones now are actually a necessity. Before coronavirus, a cell phone would have been a luxury because a good cell phone would have been a luxury, but now you need to have a cell phone with good mics, good audio, everything, so that you can actually partake in these meetings as well as have a phone that can handle the LTE bands that we have in Trinidad. Samsung is known for that. Samsung actually has region specific phones. Anyhow, without further ado, I was planning to do like a way better unboxing, but I can't wait. So I'll do a Puhar unboxing now and then I'll do a better unboxing. So the first thing we have to know is this is the Galaxy Z Flip. This is their latest folding phone. Now the Galaxy Fold itself was awesome, but that was a pioneer. Now I tend not to buy first generation units because the first generation things usually, this is a trial and error, but the Z Flip, Samsung has basically formalized, they got everything right. So everything that was wrong with the Fold, they changed, they fixed in this Galaxy Z Flip. They actually use micro brushes and micro bristles to keep dirt off. So the outside sleeve is more or less simple, just like how Samsung usually has. It has Samsung Galaxy Z Flip embossed on the side here. Besides that, you have a Z with a cutoff, and that is it. Oh, I also got the S20 Ultra. This is my daily driver. Whew, guys, this phone is the best phone ever. However, like the S20 Plus is awesome. I don't think anybody should have that level of zoom. That level of zoom is scary. I could zoom into crescents like 2 streets away from me with this. So yeah, that's awesome. I'm so excited that I'm thirsty. Alright, so the Z Flip, this is the box that it comes in. Box is a simple, well-made cardboard box. The same Z Flip logo on the side there. And then that's just the IMEI number. I believe these are dual SIMs. These have 2 IMEI numbers, so you can have your B Mobile and your Digi and you're good to go. Whoa. Alright, so first things first. Now guys, this is just the unboxing. I'll give you guys a full review on why you should definitely look into this phone. R&J Celtec, they actually have it for $9,999. Samsung has it for like $1,500-$1,600, and when you factor in the taxes you have to pay for electronics to come to Trinidad, and then all of the shipping delays and then the increase in shipping costs, you just buy it by R&J Celtec and done. I mean, not just the Z Flip. The Z Flip is I would consider this a flex phone, not just because it could bend, but also that fold. Okay, this phone is for a couple of things, right? One, people who hate having a big phone. I love having the S20 Ultra, but that is not for everyone. People who want to reminisce, remember the days of folding phones like the Razr and stuff like that, and this is for people like that. 2, this also has some really high-tech best features that you can actually use the flip for. So you can actually flip this 90 degrees and have the camera actually look at you, and then you could look at all the chat and stuff. So like a Zoom meeting, you could see the chat in half of the screen and the actual video cam in half of the screen, which is awesome. I mean, guys, like my S20 Ultra cannot do that with the Zoom app. So there's a lot of integrations in this. So the future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flipper. I can't wait to unbox this purple one. I wanna put my SIM in this purple. No, I bought this as gifts, not for me. No, I will not. Okay, no, I'm gonna use it. Hard luck. This is for the review, and then I'll give it probably like in 2-3 days. Never open up people gifts. The revolutionary Galaxy Z Flip takes the mobile industry to the next level by placing a powerful and intuitive device in the palm of your hands. With its unparalleled innovation and design, Galaxy Z Flip changes the mobile experience for those like you who stand out from the crowd, for the expressive, the bold, and the rule breakers. With an elegant compactness, the Galaxy Z Flip is a device like no other, fitting smoothly into your life and your pocket. Welcome to the next level foldable experience, Galaxy Z Flip. So, I'm actually using this phone to record. But again, I want to make sure you guys know that these phones are available at R&J Celtech. R&J Celtech. Should have this on my phone. Yes, 653-2355. So in case you guys want to pick up any of these, you guys could definitely get it from R&J Celtech. I want to write, okay, good. I have a piece of actual, like, really cool linen paper here. So, R&J Celtech is 653-2355 R&J. So, yes. So, you guys can get done here. 653-2355 at R&J Celtech. I will put this, like, here, so you guys can actually, like, see it. Yeah. But yeah, R&J Celtech, I've bought all my devices from them, like from Nokia phones back in the days before Android was popular. Alright, so we have that out of the way. Now, usually in these new Samsung phones, hidden in the top here, I want to be very gentle. That is not gentle. Why is it not coming out? It usually has a case and stuff in here. And this is an unboxing, so I want you guys to make sure and see. Alright, so we have the SIM ejector tool. The ejector tool here. I usually stick the stuff fridge magnet on my fridge, so whenever I need to do something, it will always be there. Okay, how do I unbox this properly? Ooh! So being a unique, interesting design, I don't think much case makers would actually take an attempt at this because it is a different design completely. So here we have a two-part case. This is the top and this is the bottom, and it is a gel. It is, as you can see, it is kind of flexible but more rigid than most. So it's not gonna like save a device if it fall off a wall or a step or something, but it is there to prevent scratches. R&J Celtech, they usually get epic cases right